Hi, Claudia here. Today I'm excited because I was asking to be part of the KPA Design Team and I'm so excited. So this is a group of artists that we will make every month. We will make anything that our mind can come across with a kit, and the kit will be 35% off until December 31st. And in this group is Karin from Kreativ Paper Artisan Design, that is the team leader, Valerie from Val's Creation, Lexi from Crafty Pomegranate, Stacy from Crafty Dragon Creation, me, and Cara-Renee from B.Reborn Art and Healing. So today I'm gonna show you the paper because it's absolutely beautiful, and I'm gonna do a short video to show you the paper, and the next one is going to be my project. So I already cut it because I want to have something in advance, and this collection is gorgeous. And what I like most is the papers are different sizes, so it helps you to integrate any kind of insert or extra page or whatever, because it's not just one side. You can mix and match whatever you want. So let me do a fast flip. Oops. Isn't this beautiful? I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I have to pick pages. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of them. And I use a very thick paper. It's a 30-pound copy paper, so it's very thick, it's not thin. And I did it on purpose so that way I can work better. And look at that, it is fantastic. And these are the background. I print a lot because Claudia is planning to use it a lot. And so this one is the same. Look at this, it is so beautiful. And this one is the same of this one. And that's the paper. And when I say that I will use the background a lot, I already made a window pocket. So that means, yes, I'm gonna use it a lot. And here are all the extras, envelopes and fussy cuts. I already cut it because I want to save time when I do my project. But I can show you, I'm telling you, it's not just beautiful, it's amazing. I love it, I love it. And I never saw a Christmas with a fairy. And let me tell you what's the name. The name of the set, the kit, is Fairy Christmas. And it is just amazing. We have all the tags that we can possibly need or use. We have envelope, oops, big and small. We have belly bands, pockets, extras. Those are to punch other pockets. And I try to have all of them cut, but you know, it is a lot. And those are for the paper clip. So this is it. Let me put you the paper so you can enjoy. This is the collection, and see you soon. Bye.